Hello London View Dill viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be making a one-pot high-protein porridge. Before we start the video, consider subscribing to London View Dill. Anyway, on with the video. 1 cup of raw red rice. 1/4 cup of roasted mung dal. 3 cups of water. Cook all ingredients. Then put some salt. Finally pour 1 cup of coconut milk. Please subscribe to London View Dill either below the video page or the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to London View Dill on YouTube.